Assalamu alaikum playgroup. How are you all? Very good. Do you know what we will learn today? We will learn about the numbers, number identification, numbers value with the help of an activity. Now we will going to do an activity related to numbers. This is fine motor skill based activity. We will place the apple on the tree relate according to number. हमने सबसे पहले क्या करना है, नंबर्स के मुताबिक दरख्त के ऊपर हमने एप्पल पेस्ट करने हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू। तो आप तैयार हैं? वेरी गुड। मेरे पास क्या है, फ्लैश कार्ड्स रिलेटेड टू नंबर। Okay, which number is this? Number 1. And which number is this? Number 2. Which number is this? Good. Number 3. And now tell me which number is this? Excellent. Number 4. And which number is this? Very good. Number 5. Now we are going to do an pasting activity, which is fine motor skill based, and I have 5 different tree without fruit. इनके ऊपर कोई फ्रूट है? ये देखिए इन ट्रीज के ऊपर, मैं आपको शो करती हूँ। How many trees I have? I have 5 trees. Is there any fruit? Is there any fruit over there? No, there is no fruit. And what we will do? We will do pasting activity. हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे paste the apple according to number. Paste the apple on tree according to number. मेरे पास कितने ट्रीज हैं? काउंट करें। 1 2 3 4 5. Now I will put the flashcards with the tree, and then we will paste these apples on these trees according to number. Are you ready to do this activity? Good. First of all, I will take one tree. Which number come first? Yes, I will take one tree and one number. Which number is this? Which number is this? Number 1. Which number is this? Number 1. How many apple we will paste over there according to value? Yes, we will paste 1 apple according to value of number 1. Okay, because one consider one object. I have pasted over there. How many apples? How many apples over there? There is 1 apple. One consider one object. One consider one object. Now I will take this, and I will put this flashcard. Which number is this? Tell me. Now tell me which number is this? Number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. And what the value of number 2? Yes, to consider 2 objects. And how many apple I will put paste over there? यहाँ पर मैं कितने एप्पल पेस्ट करूँगी? 2 apple. 1 2. How many apple I will paste over there? 2 apples. How many apples? Yes, I will paste 2 apple. I will use a slight UHU. 1. I will add one more with this, and now tell me how many apples over there? 2 apples. What the value of number 2? 2. To consider 2 object. To consider 2 object. Now tell me which number is this? Number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. Which number is this? Very good. Number 3. And I will take one more tree because I have 5 trees with me. And how many apple I will paste over there? आपने काउंट करने हैं जैसे जैसे मैं रखती जाऊंगी. 1, 2 and 3. How many apples over there? There are 3 apples. अब मैं क्या करूँगी इनको? Yes, I will paste these apples over the tree. 1, 2 and 3. 3 consider 3 objects. Which number will come after number 3? नंबर 3 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Which number will come after number 3? Number 4. Which number will come after number 3? Number 4. And what the value of number 4? Okay. 4 consider 4 objects. 4 consider 4 consider 4 objects. 4 consider 4 object. According to number, how many apple I will put over there? नंबर के मुताबिक कितने एप्पल्स मैं वहाँ पुट करूँगी? Very good. I will put 4 apple over there. मैं यहाँ पर रखने जा रही हूँ, आपने काउंट करने. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many apple I have put it over there? 4 apples. How many apples I have put it over there? 4 apples. Now I will place these apples over there. आप काउंट करते जाएंगे, ठीक है? अब हम ऐड करते जाएंगे इन एप्पल्स को, ठीक है? ओके, ये इनको मैंने साइड पे किया. इसके बाद हमने ऐड करनी है. ओके, वी विल ऐड 1. अगर 1 एप्पल के साथ एक और एप्पल को हमने ऐड किया तो कितने एप्पल हो गए? 2 apples. We will add one more. Now tell me how many apples? 3 apples. I will add one more. Now tell me how many apples over there? Yes, there are 4 apples. And what the value of number 4? What the value of number 4? 4 consider 4 objects. And which number will come after number 4? Number 5. Which number will come after number 4? Number 5. And for 5 consider 5 object. अब मैं यहाँ apple, I will put apple over there. You should count. यहाँ पर मैं सेब रखते जा रही हूँ, आपने काउंट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 consider 5 objects. 5 consider. Okay students, I have put it apple over there. मैंने इस ट्री के ऊपर एप्पल रख दिए अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर. अब हमने क्या करना है, इन ट्रीज के ऊपर जहाँ जहाँ मैंने एप्पल रखे हैं इनको पेस्ट करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स एंड थंब. 2 फिंगर एंड थंब. अभी मैं इनको यहाँ से साइड पे करूँगी और हम इसके साथ क्या करेंगे, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एड वन मोर. ओके, आर यू रेडी टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी? वेरी गुड. Fun object. Now 2 objects, then 3 objects and 4 objects. Now 5 objects. And what the name of this object? Apples. And how many apples over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब आप मुझे बताएंगे टोटल कितने ट्रीज हैं मेरे पास. हम पहले ट्रीज काउंट कर लेते हैं, हमारे पास कितने ट्रीज हैं. काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples over there? There are 5. How many trees over there? 5 trees. And how many apples over there? 1 apple. And how many apples over there? Very good, 2 apples. Now tell me how many apples over there? Excellent, there are 3 apples. How many apples over there? Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. And how many apples over there? Well done. There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent students. How many apples? We have pasted apples over the tree according to number. हमने क्या किया है, according to numbers apples को ट्री किसके ऊपर पेस्ट किया है. ओके, अब मैं इनको सीक्वेंस से रखती हूँ, फिर हम इनको रिकॉल करेंगे. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब पहले मैं पढ़ूँगी नंबर्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स की क्वांटिटी को, उसके बाद फिर आपकी बारी है, फिर हम मिल के पढ़ेंगे. ओके, आज हमने कौन कौन से नंबर को लर्न किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वैल्यू. हमने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have learned 5 numbers according to their values. Okay, which number is this? 1 consider 1 apple. अब मैं इसको पढ़ूंगी. पहले 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apples, 4 apples and 5 apples. Then your turn. Then we will sing together. Okay. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. Now your turn. Very good. अब हम मिल के पढ़ेंगे. Okay, are you ready? 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. Very good students. Hope you have learned the value of number, identification of number, and also you have developed your fine motor skills. With the new activity, we will learn new lesson in new video. Allah Hafiz. Fi manillah.